Welcome back to Pivot Towards Freedom Business Channel, where we cover everything you need to know about online businesses or bringing your business online. Today I'm going to introduce you to Amazon's affiliate program, or as it is officially known, Amazon Associates. This program is free to website owners, bloggers, and people using social media like having a YouTube channel. You must have a following of some sort, whether it is people that read your blog, subscribe to your YouTube channel, or visit your website. Without your following, you do not have anybody to recommend products to. Unlike last week's episode, where we could use paid advertising to drive traffic to brands, with Amazon's affiliate program, we want to use organic marketing. Before we go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and click the notification bell so you will know when the new content's available. And if you found the video useful, do not forget to click the like button. What is the Amazon affiliate program? As the question suggests, it is an affiliate program. As I have already said, it is free to website owners, bloggers, and anybody with a social media following. You recommend products you like and use through your unique affiliate links. When somebody uses this link to make a purchase, you receive a commission of between 1% and 10%. And as a kicker, you also receive commissions on whatever else your follower purchases during that session, even if it has nothing to do with what you were recommending. So, for example, if you were recommended a yoga mat because you have a fitness channel, you blog, and your followers uses that affiliate link to go to Amazon and buys a digital camera, you receive the commission on the camera because you brought the customer to Amazon. Even if they never bought the yoga mat, you still receive the commission on the camera. Not bad. But here are some things to consider before you sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. One, you have to disclose that you may receive compensation from your recommendations. For a website or a blog, a simple 1 or 2-liner will do. I have posted an example of it in the description so you can visit my page, the tools I use on my website, and see an example of this live. You also cannot make any false or deceptive claims. Also, do not mention prices. Your followers will see the price when they click on the link anyway. You cannot use Amazon affiliate links in offline promotions, so no email broadcasts with links. But there's nothing wrong with sending your email list a link to one of your web pages with an affiliate link. And you should not use third-party link shorteners. Amazon has its own anyway. If you have any other questions about Amazon policies, I've provided a link in the description below. If you have a website, blog, or social media channel, the next step is to visit Amazon's Associate Program homepage. Again, the link is in the description. And at this point, let me share my screen with you and walk you through some of the steps you will have to go through to register. So we're going to start by searching for Amazon Associates in the Google, and we'll see it's one of the first results. And we'll go ahead and go there. Now, there are two ways to do this. One is if you already have an account, it's a little bit easier, but if you've never ordered by Amazon, it's a little bit more difficult. So let's go the more difficult path. Let's say you've never had anything at Amazon, because that covers all fields. We'll say create your Amazon account. We're going to create an account. We want your name. My name is Dean. Email. We'll try this one. Of course, I need a password. Confirm password. And we're going to create an account. And at this point, we're going to, of course, have to figure out what this, let's see. If I got that correct. All right, now this is the important part. You have to use an existing email. We need the OTP. We're going to go to our email address and get the OTP. There we go. There's my code that I need to enter to go further. And we've just created an Amazon account, but not really. If you see this screen, just go back to sign up. Okay, you see we've been in here, it even says, hi, Dean, and they're gonna need account information, okay? And basically, you're gonna fill out information here as far as your payee name, your address line, and several other things, where you live, and a phone number. And you need to fill these things out because eventually they're going to get to the point where they need to know where to send the checks. So let's go ahead and put some in here. You're going to need a website. That's the second step, because this is where you advertise your Amazon products that you recommend. Enter a website. Of course, this website should exist, and in my case, it does exist. I have more than one website. Add at least one. If you have more than one property, you can add more properties. It's not a big deal. Once you've done that, you're going to go in. Okay, no. Oh, yeah, exactly. They're going to ask you if you're advertising children of 13, which is not allowed. No, we don't advertise children of 13. Confirm that and keep going to the next step. Then, of course, you need some sort of preferred ID. I'm just going to type in my last name. Let it go at that. It's to that website list. Then you need to fill out a little bit more information. Not all of this is required, but it's good if you fill it out. What's my primary website? It says it's a blog site. It doesn't matter. At this time, for you, it will matter because you need to be as descriptive as you possibly can. It helps later on. Primary topics, we'll just say books. We like books. You also notice that anything that has a little red asterisk here needs to be filled out. We're doing books. We need a primary type of website as a blog. You fill out what you need to do. We do paid mail, email, and we do display advertising. Of course we do. Then we utilize our website for certain things to generate income. Let's say, I don't know, pick something here, widgets. How do you build links? This is information they also need to know. We'll say I use a content management system. I'm a big fan of WordPress, so of course that's a content management system. We'll say less than 500. Try to be honest here. Primary reason for joining is I want to monetize my site, of course. And how do you learn about us? Well, they don't say you learned about this from Dean Murphy, so you have to figure something out. Well, let's say an online search. And as anything, you have to, another CAPTCHA here. So let's do this in. You do have to, it's a good thing to read that. I've already read it, but please read this before you check the box. And then you finished. And basically, you're done as far as setting up your account. You can start advertising. The only thing is you're not going to get paid yet because you have to enter your payment and tax information in. So you can either do that now or you can do that later. I'm going to say later because I don't use this thing anyway. And here you go. Then you start in with a tutorial. It shows you a few things. And then you can get started. And I recommend you read through this. Take some time. If you're going to advertise successfully and promote products from Amazon on your websites or blogs or any other type of media, read this so you know what's going on. Okay? They have some recommendations for you. And if you go through this tutorial, they'll also show you how you can set up links, your affiliate links. They're also going to show you how you can set up things like if you want to display the product that you're advertising or promoting. Also, so please go through the tutorial. You're only doing yourself a favor if you do that. So now that you've got the short side of how to sign up for an Amazon Associates account, let's go back to me. If you have a following because of a business, blog, or social media channel, Amazon Associates might be a way for you to earn extra cash. If you're satisfied with the products you use and they fit your business model, why would you not recommend them? Even better, why would you not want to monetize those recommendations? It doesn't cost your followers any extra, whether they buy it directly from Amazon or through your Amazon Associates link. The only difference is some of the purchase price lands in your pocket. So, if you like what you saw, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, mash the bell, and do not forget the like button. and I welcome any comments and questions that you may have below. So until next week, keep learning, keep improving, and never forget, no matter who you are, you have value that you can give to somebody else.